Why, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Taiwan. This is Charming Couple's Biang noodle. This is their, where is it? Garlic oil fermented tofu flavor. This sounds interesting, and I like interesting. Biang is a wide noodle, which you'll see momentarily. Like that. Big one. This is a dry noodle too. It's not fried. And it takes a little while to cook. I think it's 6 to 8 minutes. I'll look in a second. It takes a little while. But it's worth it because it's a thick rad noodle. 6 to 8, so I'll do 7. So here's our Biang. See that? It's very wide. Drop it in, and I do have 7 on it, so that works. And we've got a little baggie of different sachets here. So how's the day going for you? So far so good for me. I'm finally done with my jet lag. I virtually traveled the other day, yesterday, that day. So I got contacted by Arirang, which is a big media company in South Korea, and they said, hey, we'd like to have you on our, the show's called Korea Now, and I was on the like current issues portion of the show. And I did a 20-minute interview. It's a show that airs there at 7 p.m. which is 2 a.m. my time. So it's like, I usually don't stay up that late. I try to get to bed before 11, but that, we just have no luck with that. We have children, so that's about the time we get done with dinner. Is usually we're strolling. Like last night we got to bed like at midnight. The night before I think we got to bed at, no, I was up pretty late. But anyways, yeah, so that was tough. It got to like 1 a.m. and I was starting to nod off. It's like, oh no, wake up, buddy, wake up. So had some caffeine, got going, and I did the interview. It was fun. It was over Zoom. It's online, you can see it. I'll probably, there's a section just called In the Media on my YouTube channel. If you're looking for my channel, well, you're watching it probably right now. So go to the channel and look in the media section and you'll find it. It will say like the Ramen Raider on Korean radio. But yeah, it went pretty good. They asked me all sorts of interesting questions and I like to answer them. It was funny because they sent a lot of places. Oh, I already have it before. Places will send me the questions before I do an interview. And it's like, oh, okay. So I kind of have an idea of what they're going to ask me. But 99% of the time, I have the answers already. I've done so many interviews, and it's like, honestly, I could have been like, just blacked out, and totally blotto, and I could be like, oh, the first time I tried instant noodles was when blah 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 blah. You know, I've answered the same questions quite a bit, but usually that's what people want to know. How'd I get started? Why I do it? Don't I get sick of it? Aren't I worried about the sodium? What's my favorite? What's my least favorite? That one doesn't come up so much, but a lot of them had to do. A lot of their questions had to do with South Korean varieties, which was cool. I was all right with that. But yeah, I was like, so of the ones that you were sent recently, are there any that, you know, we should look out for and maybe give a try to? And I was like, I'm sorry, it's just after 2 a.m. here. I am drawing a blank. I get so many varieties in the mail from companies. I just have no idea what I can't even think. So that one, you know, that kind of threw a curveball at me. And I'm sure that was in the list of questions, which I kind of mostly ignored. So I guess next time I will look through that list and see if there's one that I need to like think. But yeah, that was fun. It was worth staying up late for. So today is Friday. It's a nice, it's not raining yet. It's cloudy, it's overcast. And both of the kids have school. That's a win. Yes, you have school too. And you have a Hatchimal. Now, I went to the thrift store the other day with her. We were gonna... Okay, all right. We walked up the trail. Then there was still some ice stuff on it, so we turned around. We went to the thrift store. I was like, maybe I'll find something cool. But it was like, you know, I wasn't planning on getting the kids anything. I'm a sucker. So I got the kids stuff. And not that we didn't just have Christmas and everything. But I got Mimi a, what do you call it, a Hatchimal. Those things are like 90 bucks at the store. I got one that was $2. Works fine. You just don't get the experience of it hatching out of the egg. That's not worth $88. But what else? Yeah, lately I've just been really beat and run down and just like not into like zero level of motivation. And I think I'm turning a corner today, hopefully. So yeah, there's that. Oh, we got a minute left. I'll talk about that other stuff on the next episode. Yeah, I'm still tired. That took a lot out of me, staying up late. Like yesterday, I woke up, I got to bed like at 3, and then I woke up like at 5:30. So I was like zombified, and then I didn't even get to bed last night until midnight, so. Plenty of caffeine. That's the deal. But I already got one out to the bus, now I got another one about to get out. It's 9:43 a.m. Got 2 hours, well, got about an hour and a half till I gotta get her ready. That's not bad. I got time. I was gonna try to rush this out early, but I was like, I don't feel like rushing. No rushing. I'm gonna take it nice and easy, nice and mellow, yeah. I baked some chicken. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Picard maneuver. Alright. Let's make it so tasty. So we're gonna drain the Biang noodle. The other thing that keeps happening around here is we're all ready to, I'm like, okay, we're gonna do this stuff today. And I'm like, I haven't done the dishes. I like went to bed and I didn't run the dishwasher. So. Yeah. I attempted to get old Stumpy on the show, and now I've got a tablet. Not only that, I have a tablet stand. And so what we could do is do the show and I can talk to somebody and we can have the tablet on camera too with the person on video chat. So that's kind of neat, don't you think? I don't know. We'll do a test run with old Stumpy one of these days soon. I was like, dude, you ready? You want to be on the show? Do a messenger live chat? No. God, Stumpy, come on. Liven up, Stumpy. It would be appreciated. Like, I wanted to test that thing out for my interview the other day. I'm like, dude, can you like do a quick messenger? No. Oh, I'm sorry, you're busy eating your kibble. So, yeah. If you're asked to do the show and you don't, you're gonna get a ration of crap from me. But it's funny because who was the original one to just have a big fit about that? That was esteemed author Matthew Bella. He got all like, it's very unprofessional when you make fun of your guests and blah 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 blah. It's like, when did I say anything about this show being a professional endeavor? That's the mukbang. That's when I eat the spicy food. Professional mukbang. But no. I give people crap. People give me crap all the time, so I'll give them a little crap. Anyways, yes. Just a little too touchy. Biang noodle. I don't know if Biang noodle is the correct nomenclature. Is it just Biang? Nice chew to it. Ooh. Kind of like this undertaste that's interesting. Very rich. Definitely fermented bean curd. I like that. I gave one of these that I had left over to Stumpy for Christmas. I was like, what did you think of that? And he was like, I couldn't handle it. I had to get rid of it. I'm like, really? I mean, that's okay. It's like I said on my interview, I'm one voice in a chorus of consumers. Some people think the things that I like are just absolutely horrible, while others are like, oh yeah, you were spot on that, brother. So it's just kind of a, everybody likes a different thing. Some people just don't know what's good. Or take direction well. That's one thing that... Hey, what happened here? Out! You have been set up with everything you could possibly need. Out, out, out. I'm gonna put chicken on it today. And I'm gonna do something to this chicken. This will be the first time I've ever used this new implement that my wife got me for Christmas. And hopefully nobody's gonna get hurt. We have a new friend in the kitchen in addition to Rotato and Holy Slicer. We've got Sparky. Sparky the kitchen torch. Hey Sparky, how you doing? Oh God. Alright. It smells nice. There. That really didn't do much, did it? But it was kind of what I wanted it to do, so I'm happy. And that is always preferable. Gotta make sure I'm happy. Oh, now I'm not happy. I need a spatula. And I think I got one right here. Yes. So we're gonna lay on an egg. Whoops, come on, get off of there, little squiggle. There you go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Get my fingers all dirty. up in this food. I'm enthused, very enthusiastic about this. Here is our beautiful egg, and now our wholly sliced spring onion, like that. And I think we're gonna add a little touch sesame seed. I don't know, I feel like I should be using the black sesame seeds, but I'm not listening to the voice of reason in my head that's telling me I should. Oh, I'm baby alive. I'm baby alive. Alright. Rotato, rotate. Keep that thing away from the food. It'll eat it all. Thanks for watching. Yeah, again, that was Charming Couple Biang Noodle Garlic Oil Fermented Bean Curd flavor from Taiwan. Next up, we've got one from Sugakia out of Japan. I don't remember what it is, but it drains, and it's a fresh noodle, and this came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thank you, man. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day.